What if your car could secretly save you thousands every year? Most people think EVs are just about batteries, but the real secret is a $2,000 annual saving. Welcome to part 1 of our EV savings investigation. In 2026, rising fuel prices and expensive engine repairs are driving a massive shift. The infrastructure has finally met the demand, and the math is starting to change for everyone. Let's talk fuel. The average gas SUV owner spends over $350 a month. For an EV driver, that number often drops to under $80. Some spend less in a month than gas drivers spend in 1 week. Home charging is the true game changer. Charging overnight at off-peak rates is like buying gas for 50 cents a gallon. Imagine waking up with a full tank every morning. But fuel is just the beginning. Maintenance and insurance are where the real hidden secrets. While fuel is the obvious win, maintenance is the hidden hero that keeps thousands in your pocket over the long term. Think about the math. A gas engine has over 2,000 moving parts. An EV has about 20. No oil changes, no spark plugs, and no transmission repairs. It's a complete removal of failure points. Insurance is the wild card. While some EVs are pricey to insure, smart drivers are using telematics and safe driver discounts to save over $1,000 extra every single year. Strategy is everything. Then there are the incentives. In 2026, federal and state tax credits remain the ultimate boost, often wiping thousands off the purchase price instantly if you know which models qualify. We've covered the rewards, but what about the traps? To find the real savings, we first have to deconstruct the myths that keep most drivers trapped in the past. It's time for the truth. Myths say batteries die quickly and charging takes forever. The reality? Modern battery warranties and fast charging networks have eliminated those fears. And with the used market growing, EVs aren't just for the rich anymore. In 2026, rising fuel prices and expensive engine repairs are driving a massive shift. The infrastructure has finally met the demand, and the math is starting to change for everyone. From family SUV owners to Uber drivers, the savings are universal. When your largest monthly expense becomes predictable, your financial survival is no longer a question. But even with the math in your favor, one mistake can ruin the investment. Welcome to the grand finale of our EV savings investigation. We've shown you the massive rewards, but one mistake can destroy the math. To finish, we have to talk about the traps. Buying without a home charging plan or ignoring insurance quotes are the biggest mistakes. EVs save you thousands, but only if you avoid the logistical traps and check your battery warranties before you buy. The future of savings is even brighter. Battery costs are falling, and the used EV market is exploding. Competition is driving prices down, making financial survival accessible to every driver. Fuel savings, maintenance, insurance tricks, and tax incentives. When you add it all up, the $2,000 secret is just the beginning. For many families, switching to an EV is no longer just about tech, it's about financial survival. The numbers don't lie. Subscribe, like, and share this investigation with someone who needs to hear the truth. Comment below, which EV is your favorite? We'll see you in the next investigation.